Are tired of trying side hustle after side hustle, but still can't seem to make any of them work well? Today I'm gonna change all of that because by the end of this video I'm gonna show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So hey guys and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So Temu is a great platform for you. By leveraging its user-friendly features, you can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profit. So first of all, we have here in Google Play Temu. So we have here buy as a millionaire, and we have here over than $100 million. You can just click over install and install Temu. So right now, I will just click over here and you can just open your web browser and dive into temu.com. So this is the homepage as you can see. So you can make money on Temu by reselling products, participating in affiliate marketing, or starting your own store. Simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale, and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Temu into a profitable venture. So, if you want to become an affiliate program, all I have to do is scroll down and you have your affiliate and influencer earn commission. You can just click over it and you will find this page. So this page you have your affiliate and influencer program. The first thing that we have here is earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer. So if you wanna earn commission, you have just to tell people once you start with Temu by clicking on my link and you will get $100. Then you will earn commission. So you have here earn substantial commission with your diverse products and exclusive offers. Join now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. And you have exclusive selling price and trusted brand. Then if you scroll down, we have your Empower Affiliates, tailored benefits for every profile. We have here authorized influencers. As a user authorized through our platform, enjoy a range of benefits, including we have a 20% commission, generous commissions, rates on orders, abundant credits, access a world of credits for additional perks, user dollars, bonuses, receive rewards for every user dollars. Then we have your website. As a registered website affiliate, enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform. We have the first one, high commission rates, benefit from generous commission rates or in on-order orders. Then we have tailored benefits, adjustable commissions that match your performance. And if you scroll down, we have here over than 300,000 people have joined us. Then we have here affiliate extra rewards and referral extra rewards. About the first one, we have affiliate extra rewards. Happy they win $10,000 bonus, and per week earn we have a 3,000 bonus for race, and here we have ranking race. So about this one, we have $100 here couple bundle. We have new app users here can indulge in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after their initial download. You have your free gifts. New app users maximize your affiliate potential. You refer the app users not only to get experience the app's fantastic features, but also stand a chance to receive a complimentary gift from the Temu. Then we have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program. So we have the first one, which is join. All us in our driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. Then we have share here. Strategically share your link, code to invite, and engage your audience with a diverse range of high quality products. Then we have here earn. Achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs leveraging competitive conversion rates or maximum earnings. So this is how it works here. And right now I will show you how you can share your links on TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, and YouTube. So to earn money on TikTok, you can just start by creating a catching videos that showcase popular products, highlight special deals, unboxings, or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or video captions for easy access. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. As viewers click on your link and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with TikTok, and right now let's move on to Pinterest. So to earn money on Temu, draw Pinterest, you can just create visually appealing pins that highlight popular Temu products, use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention, and include your affiliate link and pin details. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home decor or fashion. Regularly update your report with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with Pinterest, and right now let's move on to the next one, which is Reddit. So to earn money on Temu or Reddit, you can just join relevant subreddits where you can share product recommendations, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items that include your affiliate link following subreddit rules. Engage with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights. Use a genuine tone to build trust and encourage clicks. Posts regularly to maintain visibility and interest. As users make purchases through your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with Reddit, and right now let's move on to the Instagram and YouTube. To earn money on Temu or Instagram and YouTube, you can just start by creating engaging content that showcases popular products. But on Instagram, you have you post a cache photos or reel featuring Temu items and include your affiliate link and your bio. On YouTube, create unboxing videos, review or tutorials, placing your affiliate link and the video description. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So, leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, and YouTube can effectively help you earn money through Temu by creating engaging and informative content and that highlights popular products and strategically sharing your affiliate links. You can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. I hope this video has made the process clear and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more business tips, tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.